The goal-seek feature is used to get the answer you want out of a function by changing a part of the function. In other words, what one part of the function or argument are you going to allow to be flexible in order to get the answer that you want? So for example, I'm using the payment function to calculate the monthly payment, as you can see up here in the formula bar. That's based upon the principal amount, the interest rate, and number of payments. If the value that I want isn't $339 a month, but like let's say $500 a month, then what one argument out of the syntax, one of these three right here, do I want to change to get the value that I want? Because if I allow it to change the principal amount to get $500 a month, then it would increase that. If it was the interest rate to go up to $500 a month, it'd increase the percentage. And if it was the number of months, it could go ahead and shrink the number of payments down to get the $500 monthly payment, depending upon how you want to go with this. If I want to decrease the number of payments, then to use the goal-seek feature, select the cell that contains the function, and if you don't know anything about the PMT or payment function, then you can watch my training video on it. Assuming that you've seen that, let's come up here and click on the Data tab, go to the Forecast group, click on the What If analysis, go down to Goal-Seek, and the set cell that contains our function or formula is cell F4, so if you don't have it selected by default, then go ahead and select it. And then what value do you want out of it? Well, I don't want $339, I want $500 a month. Now, before I can just go ahead and type in a value, you need to know that goal-seek does not like mixed positive and negative numbers, meaning if the function is returning a negative number, then you have to set the value that you want to be negative as well. So we'll type in negative 500, and then by changing what cell or what part of the argument in the syntax do you want it to be flexible to get the number that you want. We want the number of payments to decrease to increase our monthly payment. So just go ahead and select it, click Okie dokie, and there you go. So the number of payments goes to 32 months and a little change. So if you like it, go ahead and click Okie dokie or click cancel. We're back to where we started, so we can go ahead and do it again. What if goal-seek to value negative 500 by changing that cell, click Okie dokie. If you like it, click OK and it stays. Cool. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel to get notified of the latest videos. And for great specials on my products, please see the description below this video.